Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving these past papers. So right now I have this mathematics, probability and statistics, and it's May, June 2024. We have already solved, I believe, 5 questions. So let's jump on to question number 6. Okay, this is question number 6. You can check my previous videos for the other questions. Okay, so uh, Harry has 3 coins. One coin is pi, so that the probability of obtaining a head is 1/3. Second coin has the probability of head is 1/4, and the third one is 1/5. Okay, Harry throws the 3 coins. The random variable x is the number of heads that he obtains. Draw the probability distribution table for x. What are they asking us to draw? They want us to draw this graph, that value of x, right? And here's the probability of x. Okay. Now, what is x? X is the number of heads. So it could be 0, it could be 1, 2, or 3. Right? So every time we have to make such whatever the probability of these things. I'm just plotting it randomly, right? So this is what we need to know. So basically, we need to know what is probability that x is 0, what's the probability that x is 1, 2, and 3, and so on. Okay, so let's try to calculate this thing. Okay, so what's the probability that x is 0, which means what's the probability that no head is shown, right? No head shown mean the in the first coin the no head is shown, the probability is 2 by third, right? 1/3 the probability the head is shown, 2/3 is no head is shown. In the second coin, the probability of no head is 3 by 4. In the third one is 4 by 5. Is it clear or no? So it could be simplified by 2 by 5. Okay. Now what's the probability that x is equal to 1? So probability that only one head is shown, right? Okay. So it could be the first one or the second one or the third one, right? So probability that the first head is shown is first coin shows head is 1/3, and at the same time others should show 0, the no head. So the probability of no head in the second coin is 3/4, and the third one is 4/5. Am I right? Okay, plus, right? If the second option is that this will not show head, this will not show head, only this will show head, right? Okay, so the probability that no head is shown in this one is 2/3, 2 by 3. Here, the head is shown is 1 by 4, and again here head is not shown is 4 by 5. Okay, next answer is that this should not show head, right? It should show the no head, but this will show head, right? Okay, so the no head in the first one is 2/3, no head in second one is 3/4, and the head in the third one is 1/5. Okay, I hope it's clear what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so let's try to simplify this little bit. 3 cancel 3, 3, 4 by 4. This is 1 by 5 plus sorry, 1 by 3. You cancel 3, 1 by 5. Yes, yeah. Yes, okay. Plus next one, 4 cancel with 4. So it's 2 by 15. Right. And the third one, uh, 3 cancel with 3, 2 to the, this is 1 by 10. Okay. And this all is simplified to 15. So this is 30. Common denominator is 30 and it's divided by 13. You can check that this is the answer. Okay. Now what's the probability that head are two? Two heads are shown. Okay. So what does it mean? That let's say these two are shown head and this is not shown head. Okay, the probability would be 1 by third, 1 by fourth, and no head is 4 by 5 here. Okay. Similarly, let's say this is head, this is head, and this is no head. So the probability for that event is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and 1 by 5, right? And the last thing is that this shows head, sorry, yeah, this does not show head, and this show head, and this show head, right? So the probability that it will not show head, which is going to be 3 by, sorry, 2 by 3. And this shows head is 1 by 4, so multiply by 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay, so 4 cancel would be, this is 1 by 15. Plus 3 cancel, no 3 didn't, huh? 1 by 4. One second, I have done this thing. 1 by 5 and 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. Sorry, what I'm doing here, sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay. You see, in the first one, I assume that first one is head and the second one is head. Okay. In the second one, I'm assuming the first, yeah, 1 by 4 is not correct. Yeah, first one, uh, yeah, first one is, yeah, this is 1 by 3. Okay, so first one is head and last one is head, and this is not head. And this one, I'm saying that, yeah, these two are head, this is not head. Okay, yes, now I think I'm correct now. Okay, the second one will cancel, it will become 1 over 20. Okay, and the third one would be 2, that is a 2, this is 30, 1 over 30. Okay, and this all add up to 3 over 20. You can check. Okay, and what's the probability that x is equal to 3? Mean all of them shows head. So of course this is easy. There's only one possibility that everyone is showing head. So this is 1 by 3 time 1 by 4 time 1 by 5. And that would be equal to 1 by 60. Okay, so now I think we have all the answers. If I make a table, x and the probability of x. So x is 0, 1, 2, or 3. So the probability of 0 is 2 by 5. 1 shows is 13 by 30. 2 is 3 by 20. And all three coins shows head is 1 by 60. Okay, and interestingly, if I add all of them, right, all of these probabilities should add to 1. And you can check 2 by 5 plus 13 by 30 plus 3 by 20 and plus 1 by 60. If you add them all, they will be equal to 1. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so this is question number 6A. Now let's move on to 6B. Okay, so this hairy guy, he has 3 coins with probability 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and 1 by 5. And he have 2 more coins with the probability of head is P and P. Okay, and he throws away all the 5 coins and see how many heads are there. Okay, he throws all 5 coins at the same time. The random variable y is the number of heads. Okay, so it is given that probability that y is equal to 0 when no head is shown. This is equal to 6 times the probability that 5 heads are shown. Okay, so using this information, we need to find the value of p. Okay, so first of all, let's try to find out what's the probability that y is equal to 5. Mean all 5 heads are shown. Okay, this is easy, I guess. So 1 by 3 times 1 by 4 times 1 by 5 times p times p. Am I right? So this is going to be p square over 60, right? So this is the probability that all five coins show head. Now, what's the probability that y is 0? Mean no coin is showing head. Okay, of course it is going to be 2 by 3 times 3 by 4 times 4 by 5 times 1 minus p times 1 minus p. Am I right? So this comes out to be, you can 3 cancels, 4 cancels, 2 by 5 times 1 minus p whole square. Make sense? So this is the probability that y is equal to 0. Now, using this relationship, probability that y is 0, it is 2 by 5, or let me call it 4 by 10. And if I open this bracket, it is 1 minus 2p plus p square, right? So this is equal to 6 times probability that y is equal to 5, which was p square by 60. Okay, so I can cancel it. This will become p square by 10. Okay, so from this relationship, we can see that 4 times 1 minus 2p plus p square, if I cancel 10 from both sides, is equal to p square. Am I right? Okay, 10 cancel with this 10. Okay, so this is 4p square minus 8p plus 4 minus p square equals 0. So this is going to be 3p square minus 8p plus 4 equals 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. We need to use a quadratic formula to solve it. So p is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4a into c and divided by 2a. Okay, when I solved this formula, it gave me two answers. One was 2 and one was 2/3. Okay, of course, 2 cannot be the answer because probability is always between 0 and 1. So it is not acceptable. So the value of P, the probability of the third coin, it is fourth and fifth coin, it is 2 by 3. Okay, I hope this all makes sense to you and you understand all the logics behind every step here, and you will have no trouble doing this question in the exam. Thank you very much for watching. If these videos are helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.